Just tell me what you want, what you need, what you see, what you wanna be. Tell me everything, think it into being. That's how dreams become the real thing. I'm out of thinking, about to sink in, yeah. I've been coast to coast around this whole globe. I've seen a lot of hope, yeah. I've seen a lot of nope, I've seen a lot of growth, but we can make it more, yeah.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Paulina Cruz.
Together at once, I want a good life, good nights, good friends, alright. Make a couple dollars from something I love to do right. Live my young life, grow old with some memories. Living each day with a good vibe energy.
Paulina is a stunning fitness model and social media personality, well known for her incredible physique.
Don't let this life just toss you by, get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought and make it happen.
Paulina was born on April 21, 1999, in Colombia. She's 24 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Taurus.
I don't need cash or cars, I need black guitars, I need plaques for art, yeah.
She's about 5 feet 4 inches tall and weighs around 53 kilograms.
Charts across all the parts, and that's just the start, yeah. I wanna change people's lives for a single night, so listen up, alright. Think of what you want while you dance to this. Your plans and shit, romance or biz, a chance to...
Her estimated body measurements are 34, 24, 38 inches.
A life, a wife, that's right. Start thinking of everything you can need in life, and visualize everything, all those dreams and sights, on while you sleep tonight, and wake up ready to fight, yeah.
Paulina gained attention when her photos with American singer Nicky Jam went viral on social media.
Don't let this life just pass you by, get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought.
So, what are your thoughts on Paulina? Isn't she absolutely gorgeous? Tell us what you think in the comments below.